Hi everyone, this is Movie Boy Master here, and this is going to be an unboxing video to the Munsters Complete Series. This is basically the whole complete series of the Munsters, obviously. It was a very nice slip cover. So why not? Let's get this unboxed here. So yep, let's do this. Very easy to do. And there it is. This one comes in 2 DVD cases, by the way. So here's season 1. There's the back. How many discs? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I don't know what is that, obviously. Something. Something rattling around the DVD case, but whatever. Disc 1. Disc 2, Disc 3, Disc 4, Disc 5, and Disc 6. Yeah, let's see if there's any artwork. Let's see. And sure enough, there is artwork on the left. Pretty cool. And let's see. This side right here. There are the episodes right there. Probably can't see it. Get the idea. That's season 1, the Munsters, and season 2. I think this only ran for 2 seasons, obviously. And you also got the movies, also. Be obvious. Alright, disc 1, disc 2. There we go. Disc 3, disc 4, disc 5, and disc 6. Let's see if I can get this. There we go. There's the episodes on the left. Also has the movies here. Let's see, when did this come out? Munster Go Home. Let's see, when did this came out? Kind of hard to tell here. I'm gonna use my flashlight. 1966, that looks like. And you also got the Munsters rebrand from 1981. It's kind of hard to make out. Obviously, enough. And there is artwork on the other side too. Yep, there it is, right there, the artwork. So, yep. Put this back in there. Well, that's the unboxing video to the Munsters, the complete series. This is a 2016 DVD, even though this is a 2022 reprint. So, yep. See you all later on Movie Boy Masters channel, and subscribe. So, yep. Yeah, subscribe to my other channels too, by the way. I have links to those on my channel, so, yep. See you all later.